Welcome to NMS Daily Bookkeeping Solutions, your trusted partner for all your bookkeeping needs. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing comprehensive and reliable bookkeeping services to help you manage your finances more effectively. Understanding the company's background is crucial for gaining insight into its history, values, and mission. Exploring the company's history can provide valuable context for its current operations and future direction. The company was founded in 1998 by two college friends in a small garage in California. It started as a simple online bookstore but quickly expanded into various other product lines. The mission statement of NMS Daily Bookkeeping Solutions emphasizes accuracy, efficiency, and reliability in managing clients' financial records. The company is committed to providing tailored solutions to meet the unique needs of each client, ensuring their financial stability and success. Understanding the company's core mission and values is essential for employees to align themselves with the organization's goals and objectives. It provides a clear direction for decision-making and helps employees feel connected to the bigger purpose of their work. NMS Daily Bookkeeping Solutions offers a range of key services including daily transaction recording, bank reconciliation, financial statement preparation, and budgeting assistance. They also provide customized financial reports and advisory services to help businesses make informed decisions and improve financial performance. The video content production services include script writing, video shooting, editing, and post-production. Professional and high-quality content is created with a focus on engaging storytelling and visual appeal. Each stage of the production process is managed with precision and creativity to deliver impactful video content
that deliver amazing solutions for bookkeeping. Thank you for watching. Join with us if you really need to get freedom from your financial solutions. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit bell icon for more video like this. Contact me in nmsdaily@gmail.com.